How to design a fox head logo in Adobe Illustrator. Okay, that's fine. We are drawing the polygon tool and draw a polygon and alignment in center and rotate the polygon. Now take line segment tool and draw a line in the middle of polygon, drawing another lines on the polygon like that. Do it carefully so that every corner must be equal. Okay, that's fine. Now select everything, take shape builder tool and draw like that. Do it carefully so that every parts must be stay separately. Now delete the extra parts. Now we make the logo colorful. Wow, this design look like fox head.